strike that brings to the people some support. As I was saying earlier, just one criminal is richer than all the workers here. Can you imagine Yaya Bello? The amount of money he stole in Kogi State is enough to pay the pension of all the judicial workers in Nigeria. So maybe next time when they bring these guys here, they should divide the money into 50% should go to the workers in the court who are working on their cases, and the rest should go to those who want to reloot the loot. So we're here. I asked for them to. Are we able to get to talk to them? Or they are still meeting?
Yeah, they are still meeting.
Okay. So they said they are meeting. So we're in solidarity with workers. We are not breaching the picket line today. Even though we have a case, an active case, but it doesn't look like anything is going on until. We'll see what happens at 9 o'clock when they are supposed to have completed their meeting before then. But I know the Supreme Court people are not going to. All the Court of Appeal, the Federal High Court, total compliance. Yeah, total compliance. So we don't know when lawyers will go on strike. So it's time for lawyers to go on strike. Yes.